Here's how to remove sleep mode on Instagram. So in this tutorial, I'll be showing you how you can remove sleep mode on Instagram. So make sure you watch this video till the end to exactly know what to do. Simply head over to Instagram, and once you're inside Instagram, just simply go to your profile, and right over here, just press on these three horizontal lines on the corner. And right over here, you'll see first option called your account, and the second one is how you use Instagram. Now under the how you use Instagram option, you'll see some more options just like saved, archive, your activity, notifications, and time management. But you simply need to go to notifications, and once inside notifications, you'll see many options, but you just need to go ahead and press on sleep mode. And right over here, as you can see, my sleep mode is turned on. So to remove sleep mode, you simply need to turn that toggle off, and just like that, you've basically removed sleep mode. So if it was turned on for you, there you go. Now your sleep mode is turned off. Now you've basically removed it. So, and yeah, this is pretty much it on how you can remove sleep mode on Instagram. So I hope this video actually helped you out. Please do leave a like, drop a comment, and subscribe to this channel. I'll see you in the next one. Goodbye.